Hey, welcome back to my channel, Planning with Precision. Today I'm going to do a back to school setup, classroom setup, and organization vlog. I have a lot of things I need to organize and get together for the school year, so I'll show you what I use and how I organize. So right now I'm going to show you a quick view of the cabinets that I'm going to organize, and then I'll show you how it looks after. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video. I will give you a really quick classroom tour so you can see how my classroom looks and how I have it set up for the new school year. So these are the cabinets I'm going to start organizing. I have sliding whiteboards, so behind them is a lot of storage and a lot of shelves. And over the years, it's gotten a little cluttered and it's really bothering me, so I need to go through and throw away things I don't use anymore and then start organizing the things that I do. So I will start working on that, and then I'll be back to show you the progress. Our curriculum that we use here at this school is Wonders, and so it comes with a lot of different books for the students to use. And so I'm going to organize them and put them in these baskets here. That way when I go to pull them, it's already ready. After I put them in the baskets, then I'm going to label them. So every time I do Reader's Workshop, I can just pull the basket that I need according to the unit that we're on, and then we can just get started. So I will start working on that, and then I'll show you the final product. Okay, so now I'm just going to walk you around and show you what I have set out at the tables and how I organize it. So my students share materials during their center time. So inside the buckets, I usually have crayons, pencils and erasers. If we're doing something special, I will put out extra materials like glue sticks or scissors, but I don't keep glue and scissors in their buckets at all times. It's just really not a good idea. But I have the pencil holders for them just to keep the pencils and erasers separated. It just looks neater, and it's just easier when everything's organized like that. It's easier for them to get to, it just looks nicer. So that's why I have that way. And then after they finish their activity, they have a couple follow-up activities, and it's basically for early finishers. So they're not sitting there doing nothing or playing around. They always have something to work on. So in addition to their activities or their assignments, they also have follow-up activities. So I usually have trays for those. So every follow-up activity always is on a blue tray. And then on top of the blue tray, I have more trays. And this is just for students to use to put their activities on, like whether it's Play-Doh or if it's Legos or whatever it is. It just keeps it nice and neat, and it gives them kind of like their own area to work with. And I have that at each table, set up pretty much the same way. And then I also have labels here that match with my theme, the black and brights. So if I have a sub or somebody else comes in and I tell them that they need to put something out at the writing table or the math table, they can look and see what each table is and what each center is. So that makes it easier for me, for a sub, for the students. It makes it easier for everyone, and it just keeps it really streamlined and organized. I have puzzles all together. Items up top are like yarn, Ziploc bags, Clorox wipes, tissues, cotton balls, stuff like that. The middle I have games and flashcards and puzzles and Play-Doh. And then at the bottom I have stuff for my treasure box and other fun things for the kids to do. So I have it all where I want it. Now I'm just gonna go back and try and put labels so it'll be easier for me to see when I open the whiteboard to see what I have. But that's pretty much the finished product for the middle part of my cabinet. So up here in the green buckets, I have the Wonders student booklets all organized. I'll just go back in a little bit and put labels so I can easily get to them, but they're all organized by unit, so that makes it a lot easier for me to keep up with them. I have some here, and then I also have a few down here at the bottom. And then these orange baskets, those are my inquiry centers, so those are like for the kids to do a lot of creative and critical thinking. So I do those a couple times a week, so those are all in the orange baskets. So I have it organized as best as I can for now. Just go back and put labels and then I'm pretty much finished. I was able to put all the labels on the baskets and I really like how it turned out. So they're all labeled, so it's really easy to open the cabinet, see where it is, and also to put it back. And I finished the labels for the book bins. So there are 10 plus a Smart Start at the beginning of the year. So all that's ready to go. Some up here and the rest down here. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notifications bell so you're aware when I upload a new video. Until next time, take care. Bye.